9 Easy and effective workouts for obese people. Excessive body weight can lead to countless chronic health problems, from simple knee pain to diabetes and heart attacks. Obesity is often a result of a passive lifestyle, inactivity, and poor dietary choices. The pandemic has exacerbated obesity, especially among children and teens, due to isolation, anxiety, and chronic stress. But remember, since you don't gain weight overnight, you can't lose it overnight either. Implementing effective strategies into your fitness journey will improve your self-perception and health. Cardio exercises like walking, cycling, and swimming are great for burning calories and increasing fitness levels. Surya Namaskar, or sun salutation, is a yoga pose that improves flexibility, strength, and balance. Squats target the quadriceps and hamstrings, helping to strengthen the lower body. Push-ups work on multiple muscles, including the chest, triceps, shoulders, and core. Partial crunches are effective for the abdominal muscles while applying less stress on the lower back. The Superman exercise strengthens back muscles and improves posture. No need to over-exaggerate like this flexible child. Lift legs and arms and hold for 2 to 3 seconds. Glute bridges activate and strengthen the gluteal muscles, which can often be weak in those with obesity. Bicep curls and tricep extensions build muscle and increase overall strength, targeting the arms. Flexibility exercises like toe touches and quad stretches help maintain joint mobility and prevent injuries. Despite the benefits, it's crucial to avoid overexertion and listen to your body to prevent health complications. Exercise should be a regular, fun activity, not just lifting weights and sweating in the gym. Consistency is key. Maintain regularity to keep your weight loss journey on track. A balanced diet with fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean meats is essential for managing weight. Quality sleep influences glucose metabolism and helps in the weight loss process. Stress can lead to metabolic imbalances and obesity. Yoga and meditation can help manage stress. Drinking plenty of water aids in weight loss, maintains healthy skin, and keeps you energetic.